Good day everyone, welcome back to Now That Is Dope, and in today's video we have a unboxing to do. This is strictly an unboxing. I will do our actual product review video probably later on, but this right here is a brand new product that I got my hands on. This is from a brand called Wanbo, and this is a projector. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. As you guys may know, I have quite a few projectors. I love projectors. This might be the replacement to my main home projector that I have. So let's unbox this, see what we have inside, and maybe I might show you guys at the end of this video or maybe in another video how this projector actually functions. So let's unbox this and see what we have here. Take out my nifty little knife. For some reason I like to cut the box from the base in case I decide to keep the box. It just makes life a little bit easier for me. So this is like a box within a box. Take this off, and here is the packaging. So this right here is the Mozart 1 Pro, and as you can see, it's a full glass lens. It has auto obstacle avoidance, it has autofocus, it has a 10-watt external speaker, and it comes with 1080p physical resolution. Let's open this up and see what we have in here. I probably don't need my knife for this. I could probably just peel this back, peeling this back, opening this tab, opening it up. You have your manual. As you guys may know, I hate reading manuals because guess what? If you need a manual, that means your product was not designed for ease of use. So I have a little foam pad, toss that to the side. And this is what it looks like on the inside of the packaging. Slide this out. This is the projector over here. And in here is where you would find your power adapter. It does have this brick that you need to power up your actual device with. You have your plug that attaches to your power adapter. You have your remote control. I believe the remote control does not come with a battery, so you have to purchase a battery for it. It has quick access to YouTube, Netflix, Amazon, Disney. You have volume up, volume down. You have fast forward and rewind. You have home, back button. It looks like Alexa up on top here, your power button, and also your settings. And that's it for the packaging. So let's lock this up. And let's put this over here on this side. Come on, don't act too crazy. And this is the main party piece right here. This is the projector. Taking this off. Oh, this feels nice. This feels real nice. This feels real nice. I love how this feels. You have your Wanbo and acoustics. So I believe this is your speaker over on this side over here. I believe you have your vents to help you remove all your heat and stuff. You have your lens in front. I believe this is your power button on top. On the back, you have where you would actually plug your power supply. You have a USB-A port, you have an HDMI port, and you have your auxiliary jack. I believe that this also has Bluetooth, so you could connect this to your Bluetooth speaker if you wanted to. And on the bottom, you have this kickstand where you could use this to get that angle if you wanted to. If you want to angle this up at whatever wall or surface you want to. Unfortunately, it does not have a 3/4 inch screw, so you wouldn't be able to screw this into, let's say, a tripod or something like that. I wish it did actually have a 3/4 inch screw, but unfortunately no 3/4 inch screw. The most you could get is a 7-degree angle with this, so hopefully this is able to get you that perfect angle that you're looking for. If you aren't able to get that perfect angle, maybe you could find something like this where you could place it on a different surface and you get a slightly higher angle. This is what I would do if this is not able to reach the angle that I'm looking for. So this is it right here. This is the Wanbo Mozart 1 Pro. Has a real nice weight to it. It feels very solid and I can't wait to use this. So for right now, this is just the unboxing. At some point in time, I'm going to hook this up, and guess what? F1 season is in full effect. The Olympics is about to take place. Tons of movies are coming out on Netflix, on Amazon, on YouTube and stuff like that. So guess what I'll be using to watch all that great content? I'll be using this in the near future. So for right now, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. You gotta admit, now that's dope, right? Until next time, let me grab this right here. Before we leave, I always like to remove these little, come on. Oh, you don't want to come off? Oh, you locked in here. All right, I'm gonna get you off. Until next time. Oh, this is on there. Until next time. See you guys.